Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Wendell here from BrandsMart, and I'm here to give you an unboxing video of the new Sega Genesis Mini. So let's not waste any time and dive right into it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Okay, so they have a little small box. Right, so inside the box we have the little small mini Sega Genesis console, and it has the on and off button here, the volume control, so you can plug your headphones into it and you can listen to your headphones, and you have the reset button. Man, this is bringing back memories. This is where the remotes go, and in the back you have the DC in and HDMI out right here. So it comes with two classic remote controls for the Sega Genesis, 1 and 2. Oh man, this is bringing back memories. I remember in the early 90s we had this Sega Genesis. Alright guys, we can look at this thing all day, but I want to go ahead and play some of these classics. So let's go plug it in, because I want to get down to some Sonic. Alright guys, the iconic Sega Genesis is back, but this time in a miniature console. The Sega Genesis Mini is loaded with 40 classic games such as Sonic the Hedgehog, Street Fighter, Mega Man, and much, much more. Made by Sega themselves, so they're not using any third-party company to get this product going, so you can expect that Sega original quality, and it's plug and play, right out the box, ready to go. The Sega Genesis Mini comes with two classic controllers, so you can enjoy loads of fun with one of your friends. Hey Arlene, are you down to play some Street Fighter?
Sure, why not?
Come on.
Are you ready?
Alright guys, there you have it, the new Sega Genesis Mini, right here at BrandsMart.